In this video, we are going to see how we can set up the price level list and how we can create the price level list in Teleprime. So let's see. But before that, you need to download this particular assignment with the resources section of this video so that you can practice and follow along. So the objective is to learn how to set up and apply the multiple price level list in Teleprime for different customers categories. So basically what price level list is, let's say that we are selling these items. We have the Logitech wireless mouse, we have the LaserJet printer, and we have the Dell monitor. Let's say the standard selling price is $30 for mouse, $180 for printer, and $240 for monitor. But if we notice, the standard selling price is this, but we have three types of customers. We have retail customers, we have the wholesale customers, and we have the dealer rates. So if we check the retail price is $30, while the wholesale price is different. Wholesale price is $28 for the same item, and the dealer price is also different. It is $26. So we need to make sure that the same item should be costed at different levels automatically, and we don't have to change it manually. We just have to specify that whether the person is a wholesaler, a retailer, or a dealer. So as soon as we specify that, it will automatically pick up those rates and we don't need to change it manually. So that is the power of price level list. So for that, we need to open any company and we need to enable the feature to use multiple price level list. Let me show you how. Right now I am in this company that named Empire Textiles. So if you want to switch to any other company, let's say I want to shut this company, I'll just simply go in this company option, click on shut company, select the specified company and select yes. And after that, I'll just open any new company. Let's say Elite Traders. So here we need to enable the feature of multiple price level list. Just go to the company from the left hand corner at the top and just click on the features. We can also use the F11 key for that. And if we see this option, enable multiple price levels, we need to enable that. Yeah, right, yes. Control A to save. And now let's create some price levels. If we go to Gateway of Tele and click on the masters, click on create, we have the price levels option right here. We can create the price level stock group and stock category as well. But we simply just click on price levels, hit enter. And we have retail prices, the wholesale price, and the dealer price. So these are three price levels. Hit enter and Control A to save. We have created these price levels. Now we will create some of the items and we will consider that we have the 1000 in stock for each. So the first item is this. From the masters, create and click on the stock item. This is my first stock and let's keep it primary. Otherwise you can create a category for this as well. So quantity is 1000. Location is main location. Read means standard cost. Standard cost is there. And accept. Next one we have is LaserJet printer. I'll just copy and paste that. It goes under primary, each 1000 quantity from the main location, and 150 is the cost. Accept. And then we have the Dell monitor. It goes under primary each and 1000 is in stock from the main location. Standard cost is 200 and accept. So now that we have created all the items along with the opening quantities, now we will define the price list for the stock groups. So I'll just go to the create option and click on price level stock group. And since we haven't specified any group for that, I'll just select all items. And first of all, I'll just give the retail prices. As we scroll down, we have the retail prices right here. So just continue with it. retail prices, and it's applicable from 1st of January. So here we have the Logitech wireless mouse. Now we can also specify different quantities. That means that if the person buys from 0 to 5 in quantity, the rate will be different, and there is any discount or not, you can specify that. But if he buys more quantity, the rate might be different. So you can do that as well. But we will just write here the rate, which is $30, and that's it. Next item is HP LaserJet printer. The retail price is this. And then we have the Dell monitor. And the rate is 240. So specify 240, Control A. And now we go back and create another one, which is for the wholesale prices applicable from 1st of January. And here we have the wireless mouse, rate is 28. Then we have the LaserJet printer, rate is 170. And then we have the Dell monitor, the rate of which is 225. Press Ctrl A to save, and now we can specify the dealer rates. We can directly do it from here. Hit enter. We have the Logitech wireless mouse rate, which is $26 at dealer's price. HP LaserJet, the rate is 160. And we have the Dell monitor, the rate of it is 210. Control A to save, and let's go back. Now let's create some customers. I'll just go to create and click on ledgers, and first one is digital computers, and let's write that is a retailer, just to mention that. And it goes under account receivable. Now I have changed the name of sundry debtors to account receivable. That's why I can see account receivable here, but you might see the sundry debtors. So Control A, and then we have the computer zone, which is wholesaler, account receivable, Control A. And then we have the ARC computers, which is dealer. I'm just writing it in bracket for the sake of example. You don't have to mention that. Account receivable, Control A. Now let's see that if we want to create a voucher and we want to create a sales voucher, and we are selling to digital computers. So digital computers, all set. Here it will ask what kind of customer it is. Is it a retailer, dealer, or wholesaler? So I'll just specify here that is a retailer. It goes under sales ledger, and as soon as I write wireless mouse, not applicable tracking number and order number, it's from the main location. The quantity that I am planning to sell is, let's say 10, and end of list. It automatically specified the rate of 30, as you can see here. Again, HP LaserJet, not applicable. It's from the main location. Quantity is 10. End of list, it automatically specified it as 180, which is correct. And then we have the Dell monitor. Same thing goes here, 10, end of list, and the rate is 240. So this is for the retail price level list. As soon as I specified this, that it is a retail, it automatically picks up the retail prices. Control A. And now let's create one more for the wholesaler, not applicable. And we will skip through all of these details. Now this one is a wholesaler. It all depends on what you select here. And sales ledger, first one is wireless mouse. and we will just specify it from the main location 20 and end of list. The rate that is applicable is 28. So as you can see, the wholesale rate is applicable here, and same goes for the LaserJet printer from the main location 20, end of list, and the rate is 170. And then we have the Dell monitor from the main location. The quantity, let's say, is 30 and rate is automatically selected, which is 225 for the wholesale price. It's perfect. Control A, and let's try the dealer prices as well. Let's say our computer is a dealer and we need to specify here that he is a dealer. Only then it will apply all the prices. So dealer, and Logitech wireless mouse from the main location, and let's say that we have 40 we are planning to sell, end of list. So now it is picking $26 as a rate. Perfect. Then we have the HP LaserJet printer from the main location 10 is the rate, end of list. This picks up the rate of 160. And then we have the Dell monitor, not applicable, from the main location, and the quantity is 15, and the rate that is applicable here is 210. Control A to save. Okay, here it is giving some other names: Best Buy, Office Supply Company, and Dealer Tech Corp, but I have selected some different names, but you can use these names here. So that's how we can apply the price level list to different products in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.